Hello gardeners, this is Master Gardener Steve from the Celtic Farm. Today I want to welcome you to the world of citrus gardening. Imagine stepping into your backyard, plucking a sun-ripened orange, and enjoying its sweetness straight from the tree. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, citrus trees can transform your garden into a fruitful paradise. In this video, we'll explore the joys and benefits of citrus gardening, uncover why it's such a beloved hobby, and give you the foundational knowledge you need to start your own citrus garden. Let's start with the basics. What exactly are citrus trees and what makes them so special? Citrus trees belong to the Rutaceae family, producing fruits like oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits. They're evergreen, meaning their glossy green leaves stay vibrant year-round, adding beauty to any garden. Each type of citrus fruit has its own unique characteristics, like the bright tanginess of lemons or the sweet juiciness of oranges. No matter your taste, there's a citrus tree for you. Citrus trees love warm climates with plenty of sun, thriving in USDA zones 9 through 11. But if you live in a colder region, don't worry, there are options and you can still grow citrus. With the right techniques like using cold frames, greenhouses, or even growing them in a sunny indoor space, you can enjoy fresh citrus fruit no matter where you live. Choosing the right citrus tree is key to a successful garden. Here's what to consider. Think about space. Dwarf varieties are perfect for patios or small gardens, while standard trees need more room to spread their roots. Self-pollinating trees like Meyer lemons are great for solo planting, but if you want a higher yield, consider cross-pollinating varieties. And don't forget to source your tree from a reputable nursery or online retailer. A healthy start makes all the difference. Citrus gardening is more than just growing fruit. It's about bringing life, beauty, and flavor to your space. From choosing the right tree to finding creative ways to grow in any climate, the possibilities are endless. This is a series, and in our next video, we'll dive into how to plant your citrus tree for success. Be sure to check it out, and don't forget to subscribe and visit our website for more tips and resources.